Officially, ang fashion photography ay itinuturing isang genre sa pagbuha ng litrato na nagpo-focus sa clothing and other fashion items.
Pero sa nakaraang mga taon, napatunayan na sa buong mundo ang influence and impact ng fashion photography bilang isang platform na kayang magbago at mag-set ng mga trends, perceptions, what more define a generation.
Kamusta na kayo mga camera geeks? Today, we will talk about an industry in photography na patuloy at mabilis na nag-evolve.
Ayan ang fashion photography. Welcome to Camera Geek TV, guys. Sabay ng paglawak ng sakop at impact ng fashion photography ang mga personalidad na lalo nagpapatingkad sa avenue na ito.
Ito ang isa sa ating mga famous fashion photographer.
My name is Paul Tixon and I head operations for GMA7's post-production. You know, my love for photo, laging nandyan yan. When I was in college, I was able to enroll in a class one semester with Pancho Escaler. You know, just basic photography, black and white. Ang problema, wala akong sariling camera. So I borrowed one to use during that semester. Pagkatapos noon, sinoli ko na yung camera. So hindi ko na siya nagamit, hindi ko na siya na-practice. But you know, my love for photos and photography and basically for the art, laging nandyan yan. A few years ago, sabi ko, siguro pwede na mag-invest. I bought my first camera, started taking pictures. Never ako nag-attend ng any formal seminars or classes outside of what I took when I was in college. And that was a long time ago. So, practically, yung mga natutunan ko doon, nakalimutan ko na. Saka, film pa nung araw. So, ngayon, digital. Medyo similar in a lot of ways, pero siyempre, magkaiba. So, nag-aral ako by myself, took to the internet, sabay nag-practice. And then, it just so happens na yung wife ko is a professional makeup artist. Once in a while, nagkakaroon kami ng opportunity to shoot faces. And then, that's where I took interest in shooting portraits. So, that's what I do primarily with my camera. I shoot portraits. The face of someone tells you a lot. Kahit paano, you see into their eyes. I began to enjoy kung ano yung nagiging interaction mo with those faces that you photograph. As much as possible, I try to develop a certain relationship with every face that I take. Pag nag-uusap yung muka at saka yung camera, parang nag-uusap kami. So parang may sinasabi siya doon sa camera. So another thing that I like doing with my photos, I like shooting my subjects wide open, as in manipis na manipis yung depth of field. You get to learn something different every time you pick up your camera and you shoot. Parang bagong kwento ulit yung kinakwento mo, parang bagong story ulit, parang bagong journey. For the kind of photography I do, ang paborito kong gamitin yung mga prime lens. My workhorse lens is my 85 1.4. 70% of the photos I take, I shoot with my 85. The other 30, I shoot with my 135 f2. Sa body naman, I use my Nikon D700. One very important advice I can give is, if you decide to shoot people, whether it be for portraits or for fashion or for whatever, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is you should develop a relationship with your subject. Kailangan meron kayong trust, meron kayong understanding. Kahit paano, syempre may linya yun eh. So without a relationship, parang kulang yung output nyo. Funny, yung advice ko na yan was the very thing I was afraid of when I started. My name is Paul Tixon, and you're watching Camera Geek TV.
Lighting is the key to a good fashion photograph. Since you'll be dealing with people as your subject, kailangan makuha ang good features nila and character.
And among the many enhancements that you guys can play around with is the strobe light. Tignan nga natin kung ano ang maidudulot nito sa mga photos. Dito lang yan sa Gadget Review.
In this episode, we will be talking about Studio Flash. A typical strobe unit or flash unit has two light tubes in it. The rounded flash tube, which gives that burst of light, and a continuous light source, which we call the modeling light. Here we have a fluorescent modeling light so that it will be cooler for the flash unit. A strobe or flash is a burst of light. As opposed to like the sun, the continuous light source, a burst of light is like a lightning bolt. It is sudden. It could be as short as 1/500th of a second to 1/50,000th of a second. What I have here is the Moling 300 ST Studio Flash. Unlike other high-end flashes, this flash does not have a built-in fan. It would be to your advantage if you could buy a studio flash unit with a built-in fan, because usually with studio flashes, internal heat is an issue, and with some high-end models, if it gets too hot, the flash will automatically shut down so it can cool off by itself. At the back of a typical flash unit, you will see this analog control panel. Here you see adjustments for the power ratios, and you also have here a means to synchronize the flash to your camera unit. We call this the PC Sync Terminal. PC meaning Pronto Compur.